Okay guys, we're going back to Trader Clinic and Ask Scruff, so bear with me a second. There is a section of all of the videos here in sequence. We're actually up to 153 with the question I'm about to answer. So up to here, Ask Scruff. There's a copy of them in there. I've just done VK, little salute to you, and we're now on to Beretsky. So, good morning. As I was setting up my chart, I thought I'd ask a quick question about the fibs. Do you include candle wicks or not, and when do you draw them? What is the reasoning behind your approach? I hope you don't mind beginner's question. Okay. Well, first of all, as you're going through Where the Scruff, you'll see there's a module called Roadmap to the Fib. And there's also, in the beginning part, I'll show you where you'll find it. And then I'll answer the question. So if you come into Where the Scruff, there's the Roadmap of the Fib. So that's it, an additional one. Broad stroke direction, that can sort of help, but what you're looking at, GoldenEye will tell you further down there should be another one down here. There you go. Key fib entry, module 27. Trigger candles, it's in there as well. And if we come down into how to read and draw Fibonacci, there's your fib, and then there'll be, there you go, how to draw your zone. So there's plenty of information on fibs in the modules. So you might be jumping the gun a little bit. But in answer to the question of do I include the wicks? Yes, I do. So you'll find when and how to draw them in the modules, which you've got access to. But I include the wicks because they are the extremes of the market. And with that, that's what you want to see. You want to see how far the outer extremes are, which will give you the true pivot point in the middle, and then the ratios will balance out. So that's kind of my reasoning behind drawing a fib. And then as to when and where, it's in Where the Scruff. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.